Hey guys, today welcome back to another good episode. Today we will teach you guys how to change folder icon image to a folder. I call it folder image. So there's two types of folder. There's a normal folder and a shortcut one. And this is how it's different. It has different methods. So as you guys can see, start from select image you love in JPEG format. Go to www.online/convert.com, I think. Then you go to image converter. You convert to ICO. You should convert to ICO. Then you put your your image that you like in there. You put in there, wait a moment, just wait. You guys don't want to be hurry, right? It will just destroy if you be too hurry. Then click start conversion. Then the next thing you guys going to do is going to put this folder over here. Then you click properties and you click customize, then change icon. You should browse, and it might be in the download, because I just choose that. I just choose to make it in download. You click change icon. Oh no. Then you click apply, and then OK, and then wait a second. Wait, why nothing is happening? Okay, let's try again. Why not? Change icon, browse. Some of you guys will forget. So let me try again. Okay. Then you click apply. Then you click OK. Then now it's there. Done. And the next one is the shortcut one. You click properties. Then this one you can just click change icon and it's just a few moments. You click browse. Choose your image that you just converted. Click OK. Click apply. Click OK. Then done. Bye bye guys. See you next episode. Bye bye.